74 years
74
ago.
years now. And then
And 70, from 73 years, 73, a little one.
Yes.
Damp in the mud. And you know that old mud house that's out there at Tom Kelly's place?
Yes.
Well, that's all stamped with bare feet. Isn't there bits of the old
Yes.
wall standing there yet? I was wondering, be any interest to take that man out to that old house? To see that old mud walls?
Let me ginch there, McCann Shen Jay.
What?
Let me ginch there, McCann Shen Jay.
Ah. Well, that's all made of stamped clay mortar. Clay of the stamped, you know, with your bare feet. There was a dwelling house there, and there was that barn, and there was a stable and cows combined, and they were all made of mud out there. It's an awful pity that that place is gone. That's out Tom Kelly's. That's not Harry Kneale's at all.
Could you tell us in Manx that there was a fiddler living down there, and he had
Oh,
a little rhyme.
Oh, June.
Row amidst the jarrow.
Is it on this now? Oh, June Gooden. But June Gooden, as we bear Shan us and Ma Shan Shan, I can't get at it now. We bear hun berge us and Ma as we feather, as we say, as we grey, marrow the me the jarrow, then jarach the we brish, as gorish shan bregen va couch as us caneel. Hegiches, tregiches, ma harag us ma wheel, as gorish shan bregen va couch as us caneel.
Yeah,
That's it.
but a skill much and feather, Jewish galgus a feather as the talu and scaled, but
Well, could I?
corgi.
Oh,
Feather.
let me again when we lot the shan feather lenach all you when we able grey were they was fee by when we half blidden or no blidden
English.
Jed Dowlal, Lisa. And I was Milal, well, Shulal, Olin, and El. Tamilal Bluggan, man Bluggan. But I can't tell how it was to finish the web. He wanted the one ball of thread to finish this web. But all I could say to him was, Fee-vi. I remember that as well. I wouldn't be as old as Sheila at all. That was all. And then there's the song about the Colback Breck.
So sure.
Have you got that here?
They answer law.
Is it worth repeating it here?
Oh, the jarrow, hey.
When Shan Slay is with grey, and Colback Breck has flap, na zee hin the sour, in Shanbok Budden Gollig, ten and narrows an hour. As then we grey, ni pooses poes na newer we sheen, the father sure na be poes na towless ben of a jean. A gown the linsey onesie as bonnet bedden saloon.